Guys, welcome back. So something a bit different today. I've got here a 72 Cuda 340 in 1/18 scale. I picked it up about a week ago and thought I'd go through it. I haven't unboxed it yet. I was pretty rapt to see it because not often you see a 72 to 74 Cuda in 1/18 scale. Like most manufacturers just make them in 70 or 71 because I guess they're the most popular. But yeah, according to the website, it's already sold out, so it must have done pretty well. You don't like see them often. I've got here, so this is from the Fast and the Furious. This is 1/18, I believe it's 73, but obviously custom. So it's from Fast and Furious 7. It's Letty's Cuda. But yeah, that's the only really one in 1/18 that I've seen. So there could be other ones, but you don't really see them often. Like I said, it's always 70 or 71. But yeah, let's go through it. It's in black, so TX9 formal black, white vinyl roof, white side stripe, 340 with a 4-speed, so pretty cool combo. And this particular one is, they made one of 490, so pretty limited run. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, let's do this. Break the seal. I'm kind of running out of display of models, so I've got to make more space for this, but yeah, pretty cool. Wow. That is awesome. It's got so much detail in there. Oh, it's got a rally dash. Yeah, 4-speed rally dash. Look at that. Let's take it out. All right, so I already took the pins out, save the trouble. And there we go. Pretty cool. Very cool combo. So yeah, you've got your black with the white stripe, white vinyl, white interior. And yeah, it's very detailed. It's even got the Barracuda badge on the dash there. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. It's got the badge there, it's got seat belts. Pretty good textures there on the door panels. You got your polyglass wheels there. .340 badging, and look at that grille. Oh, I love that grille. Honestly, one of the best. 340 motor. What a block. I'll tell you what, 340s, they go pretty good. Pretty detailed engine bay. And then you got your beautiful tail lights. Dual exhaust. I'm pretty sure it's even got the jack and then spare wheel. So according to this book, which I highly recommend, it's got a lot of good info in here. In 72, there were 5,864 Cudas built with the 340 motor. So a bit of a fun fact there. So I wouldn't say there's many left of those. Anyway, guys, just a quick one. Thought I'd show you my model. Pretty happy with it. Like I said, you don't really see them in this detail in a 72 to 74 model. So pretty happy with it. Just got to find a spot for it. But yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.